Y'all shut the fuck up!
What?
I'm tired of this shit!
Shut up! I tell your fucking mom last night!
We were here last night!
I picked you motherfuckers up 3 damn times! It's the last time! I think you guys to jail!
Fuck you!
Jail!
What the hell?
Where the hell did this bitch come from?
I was hiding.
Oh fuck!
Well, that's kind of creepy. Where else are you?
Everywhere.
Were you in my bed?
Why'd you arrest us anyway?
Yeah, what'd we do this
But
time?
your indecent exposures are employed. You're a storage source, your nuts hanging out.
That's not a crime, you dumbass.
Who was
Yeah,
doing?
it is. Indecent exposure, asshole. What the fuck you talking such a
But
bitch?
you say police said you made the wrong turn?
He was fucking the lock.
What?
He was fucking the lock.
Fucking the law.
With a dick.
What the fuck?
Sticking it in there. Oh god, there's people.
Well, that's pretty small.